Breaking news. Welcome to OI Charts Pre-Market Brief 27-2025. First news, BL and Safran have formed a joint venture for the Hammer Smart precision-guided weapon in India, aiming for 60% indigenization in production. Second news, Infosys buyback saw 50.21 crore shares tendered, exceeding the rupees 18,000 crore offer size by more than 5 times, pushing the share price to a high of rupees 1,543.30. Third news, Bharti Airtel shares fell 3% after a promoter group sold 3.5 crore shares in a block deal worth rupees 7,400 crore, hitting an intraday low of rupees 2,100. Fourth news, Hindustan Construction Company approved a rupees 1,000 crore rights issue to strengthen its financial position, with shares rising more than 4% after the announcement. Fifth news, Patel Engineering secured a rupees 798.19 crore coal mining contract from SECL, boosting its order book and operations. Sixth news, Reliance Industries joint venture will invest rupees 98,000 crore in data centers across 400 acres in Andhra Pradesh by 2030. Seventh news, the Indian Army awarded Larsen & Toubro a contract for BVS-10 Sindhu vehicles, focusing on domestic manufacturing and logistics support. Eighth news, JK Lakshmi Cement announced a rupees 1,816 crore expansion in Chhattisgarh, adding 2.31 MTPA of clinker and 1.2 MTPA of cement grinding capacity. Ninth news, India's Q2 FY26 GDP growth is projected at 7.3%, higher than the RBI's 7% estimate, supported by rural and urban spending. 10th news, Ashok Leyland approved a merger with Hinduja Leyland Finance with an exchange ratio of 25 NDL shares for every 10 Leyland Finance shares. 11th news, Thermax secured an order of more than rupees 580 crore from Dangote Industries for a refinery project in Nigeria. 12th news, BL Kashyap's share price rose 1.38% to rupees 48.35 after winning a rupees 254 crore contract from DLF Home Developers. 13th news, Salazar Techno Engineering received rupees 695.18 crore worth of contracts from Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, strengthening its infrastructure presence. 14th news, Lineage Power won a rupees 1,994.20 million BES contract from Larsen & Toubro, supporting its growth in renewable energy. 15th news, India is set to sign defense contracts worth $450 million for BrahMos missiles. This is expected to boost global interest and future defense deals. 16th news, NCC secured a rupees 2,062.71 crore contract for expanding Gauhati Medical College and Hospital. This strengthens its infrastructure portfolio. 17th news, the Sensex surged 783.8 points to 85,370.8, while the Nifty gained 246.2 points to 26,131. This shows strong market momentum. 18th news, the Cabinet approved rupees 2,781 crore for railway expansion projects. This will benefit 585 villages across 4 districts. 19th news, Giant Infratech Limited shares hit the 5% upper circuit after winning a rupees 161.68 crore railway electrification order from Konkan Railway Corporation. This order is valued at more than 2.5 times its market cap of rupees 78.64 crore. 20th news, the promoter of Whirlpool of India Limited plans to sell 95 lakh shares, equal to a 7.5% stake. This will be at a floor price of rupees 1,030, totaling rupees 965 crore. 21st news, Jammu and Kashmir Bank plans to raise rupees 750 crore through a qualified institutional placement. This is subject to shareholder approval. 22nd news, Kotak Institutional Equities has maintained a reduced rating on Kaynes Technology. They have a target price of Rs 6,180. They are lowering EPS estimates by 2 to 5% due to delays in capital expenditure. 23rd news. The Indian government is considering merging 6 public sector banks by April 2026. This is to improve financial stability and reduce bad loans. 24th news. The Competition Commission of India has approved Jindal Jhajjar Power's acquisition of 100% stake in Jhajjar Power Limited. This strengthens its footprint in the thermal power sector. 25th news. State Bank of India expects to maintain its net interest margin of 3%. This is even if the Reserve Bank cuts the repo rate by 0.25% next week. 26th news. Indian markets are likely to open cautiously bullish after the Nifty rose 1.2% to 26,205. There is potential resistance around 26,280. 27th news. Shares of Reliance Industries declined 2.39% to Rs 1,440.60. This is after Q1 results missed expectations, despite a 78% year-on-year increase in profit. 28th news. The Indian rupee closed at Rs 89.27 per United States dollar. This is slightly weaker than Rs 89.22 due to continued portfolio outflows and strong hedging demand from importers. 29th news. Shares of oil marketing companies rose, with BPCL gaining 3% to Rs 365.85. This is as global crude prices dropped to $61 per barrel, improving overall market sentiment. 30th news. The Reserve Bank of India may announce a repo rate cut in December. This could lower EMIs for borrowers and provide broader economic relief. 31st news. Canara Bank and ICICI Bank plan to raise Rs 7,500 crore through bonds this week. This is to strengthen their capital adequacy ratios. That's a wrap for today's pre-market brief. Stay tuned for more updates with OI Charts.